How often have you found yourself snapping at your partner or children due to work pressure? Remember the time when you were upset because your child refused to listen to you? What about the day when you complained to your spouse about the never-ending housework? Being part of a happy and united family is right there on the top of the wish list of each family member. But often, reality can be different as family members find themselves disconnected from or dissatisfied with each other. Namaskar parents, I am Dr. Meghna, the therapist mommy. I am a clinical psychologist, psychotherapist and a parenting educator. And today I'll discuss 5 secrets to a happy and fulfilling family life. Here are 5 research-backed tips to have a happy family. I request you to watch this video till the end because the 5th one will leave you surprised. 1. Have dinner together. Kids who eat dinner with their families do better across pretty much every conceivable metric. They are less likely to drink, they are less likely to smoke or do drugs, they are less likely to have teenage pregnancy, commit suicide and develop eating disorders. Additional research found that children who enjoy family meals have larger vocabularies, better manners, healthier diets and higher self-esteem. The most comprehensive research done on this topic examined how children spend their time, between the years 1981 and 1997. And this study discovered that the amount of time children spend eating meals at home was the single biggest predictor of better academic achievement and fewer behavioral problems. Pro tip: have dinner or any meal really at least 4 times a week, sitting together as a family without gadgets and let the conversation flow. Second, share your family history. Children who know the stories of those who came before them have higher self-esteem and also they have a sense of control over their lives. Research shows that the more children know about their family's history, the stronger their sense of control over their lives, the higher their self-esteem, and the more successfully they believe their families function. Having a family narrative is great for children. Children who have the most balance and self-confidence in their lives do so because of a strong intergenerational self. They know they belong to something bigger than themselves. Pro tip: share stories of your family with your children. Talk about what their grandparents did, how they overcame different challenges that they faced, and how they stuck together. Third, learn something new as a family. It is always exciting when one sets out to learn a new thing, a new recipe, a new craft, a new language. But when you learn something with the whole family, the curiosity and excitement will double. Learning together not only strengthens family relationships, but also provides an excellent opportunity to spend quality time with each other. Pro tip: channel your inner artist by learning to draw, or attend a cooking class, or put on your dancing shoes for a dance class. The opportunities are endless. Fourth, fill your own cup. It's actually as simple as that. Happy parents equals happy kids. So if my kids are happy, then I'm happy. So how can I make myself happy? By investing time in myself. It sounds like a paradox, but the more you spend time on self-care, the calmer you'll be and the higher your capacity will be for bouncing back from these stresses and strain of everyday parenting. Focusing on your needs is not going to make you a bad parent or spouse. Rather, alone time is actually great for your mental health. Take this from a therapist. Pro tip: curl on the couch with a nice book, or go out with friends, or do a digital detox, or go for a walk in nature, or take a long relaxing shower. But self-care also looks like taking a pause to savor something, especially because as parents we are all in a rush all the time, or drawing healthy boundaries with people or things that suck up our time and energy. And finally, the 5th one. This is what kids most want from their parents. Guess what that is? I want to invite you for an experiment. Go to your child and ask them, if you were granted one wish about us, beta, your parents, what would it be? I can bet you'll predict that they'll want you to spend more time with them. That's what I thought my kids would say. Oh, how wrong I was. Guess what kids want most of all? The kids' #1 wish is that their parents are less tired and less stressed. Studies have shown that parental stress, it weakens children's brains. Yes, it depletes their immune systems and increases their risk of obesity, mental health conditions, diabetes, allergies, and even tooth decay. So your mental health is super important. Pro tip: work on reducing your stress level. Have an impromptu dancing jig while cooking dinner, or have a gadget-free hour Friday evenings where the whole family sits and plays board games. Or simply go out in nature. Reduce your own stress level and you will see a massive difference in how happy your family is. Building a happy family is not complicated. When we communicate with each other, when we carve out time for ourselves and our families, even if it is a few minutes every day, we create one of the best things in life, a happy family. This is the Therapist Mommy signing off.